just wanted to let you know a few differences between us and a gym. I was talking to a family member. How's your gym going? I said, we don't own a gym. We own a personal training studio, and the key word is personal. Okay. We are not like the gym in any shape or form, right? A gym, you pay a membership to, okay, a monthly membership fee, whether that be £20 or £100, okay, and then you usually get access to unlimited classes, okay, you go and do your own thing, you don't necessarily get any guidance, any help, support, any accountability. It's just all about the training element. Now, where we're different, right, because we're a personal training studio, basically we give you a whole package, okay? So we don't just focus on the training, we don't just focus on the nutrition, we don't just focus on accountability, we pull everything all together. Now, why this can be beneficial to people is quite simply, like, when people are doing stuff, like, for example, if they join a gym membership, and we hear this a lot when people come to the consults, is people will come in and they'll say, I've been going to a gym for 18 months, but the last time I used it was 18 months ago. Okay, so you used it on the day you signed up. That's not good, right? The gym's never contacted them and followed up with them in any way, shape or form. So this is where you just become a number, and this is why we're not just a gym, right? If you go to a gym, you go to a class, you're not getting the personalised supervision of a personal trainer looking over you to monitor you, to make sure that you're doing the exercises right, to make sure that you're not going to hurt yourself, okay? To make sure that that exercise is right for you. If you're at a gym, they're not also gonna support you with any issues that you might have going on. If you've got a problem, if you've got a nutrition issue or question, the gym's not going to be able to answer that, whereas a personal training studio will, okay, because usually they will have qualifications. Ourselves, we're certified by Precision Nutrition, okay, and we use their guidelines, which is all based around health, performance. So we want to make sure that people are making the right choices for lifestyle. So these are some important things to consider. So when somebody has said to me in the past, oh, that's a lot of money, I say that's not a lot of money for what we do, because we're actually cheaper than going to a PT. And so you can train with us. So just to give you an idea, right, you can train with us 3 times a week, coached by a PT, okay, get all your nutrition supported, okay, get your goal setting in place, get kept accountable. So more importantly, if you're not turning up, you get kept accountable for a lower cost, okay, than what it would be for one-to-one PT just 1 day a week, right, and potentially without no nutrition coaching, right? So there is a big difference there. The other advantage with what we do is we have a private studio, okay? So we're not in a commercial gym. We're in a private studio where people feel safe, comfortable, and happy. Like there's no egos. There's no photo taking of in a mirror or somebody on the mobile phone. Everybody comes to us for results, okay? And that's the difference between a gym and a personal training studio, okay? So it's down to service. Now, it's all good if you're very knowledgeable on your nutrition, okay, and you can do that by yourself. If you're highly motivated and you can get the motivation to go to the gym daily, okay, and turn up and give yourself a good push every single session, that's also great. Well done, right? But there's a lot of people out there that don't fit that bill, right? There's a lot of people with very busy lives. I mean, we predominantly work with business owners, professionals, management, busy people as a whole, who are generally over 30, and even probably 70% are over 40. And what we find is these people have got so much going on, they don't have the time to plan the workouts, to think about their food. So we take that out of the element for them, okay, and we give them the guidance and give them the support around their lifestyles, because everyone's going to be different, all right? And these are the small differences between signing up to a gym and paying a £20 membership fee, okay, to come into a personal training studio, getting the support, the guidance and the accountability that most people actually need in this day and age, okay? but it's all down to what you want to spend your money on. It's all down to what your priorities are, and it's all down to whether you're highly motivated or not, because a lot of people aren't. So just to let you know a few simple differences between us, okay, a personal training and nutrition studio, over the difference between a normal gym, commercial gym that you go to. And the other benefit is, something I also didn't mention, is you get to train with lovely people, right? All our clients get on amazingly. So you're all there for the same reason. At the end of the day, it's your choice. Fantastic if you're going to the gym, but if you're not, then seek help from a professional. There's a lot of options out there. You don't just need to go and pay PT fees, okay? And I would always recommend that you train more than once a week with a PT. I've been doing that with my clients for a very, very long while, usually 2 to 3 days a week. So just give it some food for thought. If you're thinking of changing your health situation for the 2020, because we're coming to the end of the year, then if you want some help or guidance or support, maybe you need to have a chat with somebody, then just drop us a message and we'll be in contact, okay? And we'll happily talk to you, all right? No obligation. Take care, people. See you soon.